We spend a staggering amount of our day completely motionless, yet our minds are running at a frantic pace. We sit at desks, stare at screens, and live almost entirely inside our own heads, fielding a constant barrage of thoughts and anxieties. This mental marathon exacts a quiet physical toll. Without us even noticing, our breathing becomes shallow, our shoulders creep up, and we lose touch with the physical sensations of our own bodies. The standard advice for this is simply to sit in silence and clear your mind. But if you're already overstimulated, plunging straight into a void of unguided silence usually just amplifies the noise, leading to frustration and an even shorter attention span. To actually break that cycle of rumination, an overactive brain doesn't need an empty vacuum. It requires a highly structured, engaging anchor to capture its attention and systematically guide it towards stillness. That is the specific utility of a practice like the Reiki Infused chakra activation guided meditation. To be clear, this is not a biomedical intervention or a clinical therapy for illness. Instead, it is a spiritually framed contemplative exercise, a dedicated session designed to train your focus, foster deep interoceptive awareness, and trigger profound physical relaxation. By layering a steady, voice-led progression with vivid esoteric imagery, it gives a restless mind an active task to perform, creating the exact conditions needed to finally quiet down. This particular practice is built on 3 distinct conceptual pillars. The first is guided meditation. This acts as the vehicle for the entire session, using an instructor's voice to pace your breathing and direct your focus away from daily distractions. The second pillar is the chakra system. In this context, chakras are visualized as a conceptual map of 7 primary energy centers, arranged vertically from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. This specific physiological map dates back to ancient Sanskrit manuscripts, originating within esoteric Hindu and Tantric Buddhist traditions. The third pillar is Reiki, a complementary health approach focused on channeling healing energy and setting a restorative intention, often without physical touch. Reiki comes from an entirely different lineage, emerging in early 20th century Japan. What makes this session distinct is how it synthesizes these traditions. It overlays a modern Japanese healing intention on an ancient South Asian physiological map, driving the whole experience forward through structured English-language verbal guidance. The practice itself begins with strict physical preparation. You set up a quiet room, find a comfortable reclining posture, put on an eye mask, and set a specific mental intention, like grounding or clarity. You then follow the instructor's breathing cues, intentionally extending your exhales to systematically slow your central nervous system. The core methodology involves moving your attention upward through the body. You focus sequentially on each of the 7 regions, from the base of the spine up to the crown of the head. To activate these centers, you direct your breath, a specific color, and symbolic imagery into each node, holding focus for several minutes. Activating a chakra, then, is not about flipping a hidden biological switch. It is the deliberate act of using intense, targeted attention to locate and dissolve perceived physical and emotional tension at specific points in your body. When the meditation reaches the throat center, for example, a practitioner might notice an involuntary tightness in their jaw or realize their breathing has suddenly become restricted. Instead of ignoring that discomfort, you use the instructor's guided imagery to consciously lean into the sensation and actively release that specific muscular and emotional constriction. Midway through the practice, there is a distinct transition. The session shifts into a Reiki-infused receiving phase, anchored in the concept of directing subtle energetic intention without physical touch. At this point, the active work of visualization stops. You transition to passive observation, scanning your body to note subtle shifts in physical warmth, a deeper settling of the breath, or a change in your emotional tone. Mastering this phase means successfully transitioning your mind out of the effortful work of doing and settling comfortably into the quiet, often difficult art of simply receiving. When the hour concludes, the goal is not to try and scientifically prove that a chakra has opened. The realistic, repeatable outcomes are a sharp increase in your interoceptive awareness, a clear emotional reset, and nearly an hour of sustained, deep physical relaxation. This chart places clinical therapy on the far left, physical yoga on the far right, and this esoteric practice in the center. Its low exertion, highly symbolic nature offers a rich alternative for those who find silent mindfulness too dry or yoga too demanding. That makes this entire practice an ideal end-of-day ritual for anyone needing a deeply engaging, imaginative way to disconnect from the modern world. You can experience this structured journey for yourself by checking out the Reiki Infused Chakra Activation Guided Meditation, available now for free on The Great Discovery at thegreatdiscovery.com.